Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Redmi 6A unboxing. Let's see what we get inside the box. Let me remove this plastic. On the box we can see Redmi 6A by Xiaomi, and on the top Xiaomi logo. And on the back side of the box you can see some specifications of the phone. It says Redmi 6A on the both side of the box. So let's break this seal, and opening up the box we get Redmi 6A on the top. Let's set this phone aside for a few seconds. And here we get some paperwork, power adapter which is 5 volts and 1 amps, so no fast charging here. And this is the USB cable, a USB to micro USB cable, so no type C. And the last thing we have over here is a SIM ejector tool. Let's move these things aside and take a look at the phone. Let me just remove the stickers. And let's turn on the phone. While I set up this phone, let's have a quick overview of this phone. On the left side there is 2 SIM card and micro SD slot, which I'll show you in a minute. Volume rockers and a power button on the right side. On the top there's a headphone jack and a secondary microphone. And on the bottom there's a microphone and charging port. As you can see the Xiaomi logo, and just below that you can see the speaker. And I think it may reduce the sound if you put the phone on the surface. And here's the Redmi 6A, and it actually feels lightweight, and since it's smaller in size it fits comfortably in hands. It comes with 5.45 inches HD plus display with an aspect ratio of 18:9, and it has a resolution of 1440 by 720 pixel. Redmi 6A is powered by Helio A22 processor, and it comes with Android 8.1 out of the box with MIUI 10 on top of it. This is a 2 GB of RAM with 16 GB of storage variant, and there's one more variant with 2 GB of RAM with 32 GB of storage. And this phone comes with 3000 mAh battery, which gives you a day power. The display is bright and viewing angles are good. It looks same from all the sides. And talking about the camera, there's a single 13 megapixel camera on the back with an aperture of f2.2. Talking about the build quality, the back of the phone is completely plastic, and it may also get some scratches easily. Redmi 6A doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, but instead it has a face unlock. And this is a blue color, and it comes with 3 more colors: black, gold and rose gold. On the front it has a 5 megapixel front facing camera. And the camera, I would say that it's not that great, but it takes good photos with good details and contrast, and sometimes it oversharps the photos, but overall it's a good camera and a budget smartphone. And as I said earlier, since it doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, it has face unlock, and the face unlock is not very fast. It takes couple of seconds to unlock the phone, but it's great that it will only unlock the phone when your eyes are open. And the phone is pretty fast and responsive and can handle multitasking smoothly. Swipe down from the top brings up the quick toggles and notifications. You can also add some quick toggles by just dragging them here. And there you go. And it has 2 individual SIM tray, one for the SIM card and a micro SD card, and the other one only for a SIM card. So you can use 2 SIM card and 1 micro SD card in one device, and it can be expandable up to 256 GB of storage via micro SD card. Controlling the volume is easy on this. You can just drag up and down to control the volume, and tap here for silent mode. Tapping these 3 dots will bring up the volume, ringtone and alarm control, and changing it by just dragging up or down, and turning on and off do not disturb mode. You can also use split screen. Just tap and hold on that app you want to split and select the other app. And now you can use 2 apps at the same time. Swipe left to see the shelf. It's like having all the widgets in one place. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.